Hey tubas, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to review the song Rivers from Samuel Hazo. This piece is the second movement of the Georgian Suite and it follows the song Our Kingsland Spring. As you can imagine, the second movement of a three-movement suite is often the slow, pretty, beautiful lyric piece, and Rivers is just that. In fact, I've got my metronome set at a slow 65 beats per minute to help us practice today. So let's get started. The first 6 measures is the introduction, and they're all dotted half notes, so they all get 3 beats. There's B flats, E flats, and A flats in this song. So B flats, E flats, and A flats. But there's some other flats. I'll point them out as we go. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, beginning, ready, play. Make sure you decrescendo to niente, or nothing. That's what that decrescendo and that word means. Then there's a pause. But when we begin, we start at measure 7. So now we'll go from 7 to the end of the line. Don't forget, E flats, A flats, first valve. 1, 2, 3, measure 7, ready, go. Hold that fermata until the conductor cuts it off. At measure 12, theme B begins. There's 5 measures rest here in 3/4 time. And then we have the note D flat. That's 2 and 3 on our tubas. Also, the lowest notes are the best notes to choose here. They're low A flats and they're first valve. So let's play from measure 12. We're going to start in the middle of the rests with measure number 3, 2, 3, measure 4, 2, 3, measure 5, D flat, play. Let's do that section again. That's the 6th measure after 12. D flat, ready, D flat, go. And hold that fermata out like you did the last one. Now skip to measure 25. It's where theme A is played in its entirety. We've got to play some of those low notes in this section, but remember E flat, first valve, A flat, first valve. In this piece, or in this section of the piece, there's a G flat. It's in the 5th measure. G flat is 2 and 3. And then it comes right before a D flat, which is also 2 and 3. Then E natural is just 2. So lots of 2 and 3 and 2 fingerings in this section. Let's go from 25 to 37. 1, 2, 3, 25, E flat, go. Great. Rewind a little bit and try that segment again for some more practice. However, it will show up again a little later in the piece, but slightly different. Okay, 37 is up next. Theme C in the bass instruments. That's us. Let's see what 37 has to offer. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. At 47, theme A returns. This time slightly faster and with a couple eighth notes for our tuba part. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 47. Ready, go. Great. Remember that the D flats and G flats are all 2 and 3. So there's a large section of what we just played that was just our fingers 2 and 3. Great. Theme number 60, or themes A, B, and C, happen at measure 60. A, B plus C. We have 6 measures rest before we begin our dotted half notes, C and A flat, C and A flat. Here's measure 4, 2, 3. Measure 5, 2, 3. Measure 6. Ready, C. That crescendo takes us into measure 70, and the final time we'll play theme A. Let's do it. From 70 to 81. 1, 2, 3. Watch those flats. Ready, go. And you're holding an E natural there, second valve. Finally, 81 to the end. 1, 2, 3, 2 and 3, G flat, go. One, 2, 3. That's the end of the song Rivers for tuba. So I hope this is helpful and that you'll consider grabbing your pencil and marking some of those tricky fingerings. E naturals, second valve, and then the D flats and G flats that we found in the line above the bottom line, 2 and 3, G flats and D flats. So practice this a little bit more with a metronome set at 65, and then also try playing along with the reference recording. You'll be glad you did because you'll see how your part fits into the greater ensemble. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.